Oh, he wants to race. Hey, I grew up in a cornfield like this.
After 1/2 mile, turn.
Throw your hands in the air if you're real as me. Throw your hands in the air if you're real as me. Throw your hands in the air if you're real as me. Throw your hands in the air if you're real as me.
Multi-million-dollar deals, got $1 million deal. When I was younger, I would wonder how $1 million feel. And for real, it feel like I ain't even broke a seal. Cause when you drop hits, they want you to pick up the bill. Now my life is in Maryland, my heart is in Chicago. New York state of mind, but out LA, man, that's where I
You're going 120.
Turn right, right drive. Then, you have reached your destination on your left.
Oh my god.
It's a Lambo.
You have reached your destination on your left.
There's a nice ass car in here.
I want it. You think if I go there and ask if I can have it, he'll give it to me?
Can you stop? Oh, stop it, you fool.
getting ready for me. I know the city getting ready. Are you ready to go? I know the city.
Those are rich people, right?
Fairly rich, yeah.
Like, how much does that cost?
250. Wait. No, that's like, yeah, 250. I think that's a Huracan. I think.
See, those are the Lambos I like.
Yeah,
I don't like all the fancy ones.
That one's super.
What is he saying?
I don't know, he's being nude.
Oh my god. How do you get that money? Besides robbing a bank.
Stop it.
Tell him the car has a mind of its own.
Thanks, gentlemen. Just go down there, park. They're going to show you where to park.
Okay.
Right there, all right?
Thank you.
You know what I'd love to see? Dodge Viper.
Oh, there we go.
There. Oh.
That's a mercy alarm. Right into that lot. Right, make a left turn right there.
Okay.
He'll wave you on, the guy in the white shirt. Supposed to.
Okay.
You're Okay.
We're closing the windows, or?
No, you can move it.
Twizzy said make this joint epic. Nah, I mean. Back to the basement tour season, everybody get at me. Gotta make it home soon for these bad O's kidnap me. You ain't heard what I did, murdering's what I did. Everyone had a blast, courtesy of the kid that's real to do it once and right. You gotta take your time, she got it going on. I'm talking Stacy's mom, and this team OCD. On my Letterman Jack, talking that Moosha twist, who can do better than that? That's who I play for, I know that we can make more. Cause we just run through these clubs, it's like a PGA tour. I say casino blowing up, now we call that a victory. I'm surfing on the crowd and these shorties trying to get with me. So I don't wanna come back down from this side. No, I don't wanna come back down from this side. No, I don't wanna come back down from this side. No, I don't wanna come back down. Come back down, come back down from this side. From this side. From this side. Back to the basement tour season. Everybody get at me. All the fans up in the front row with them hands high, come dap me. They know how we do. They know how we live. My girlfriend is my ex now, cause she told me I should quit. Yeah, well that's real, how does it feel? Everything always be up and around. Look at the time, better we get it, we do it together and pay you no mind. That's the truth, you confused, dog, why the hell are you tripping? But a dream don't mean nothing if you don't.
Are they at the beach yet?
What's that?
Cool.
Did you see him like spur?
Your mom has to be and pick up hamburger. Where's Matt? He's got smiling. There's no way.
Hello!
Oh shit. Can this car keep up?
Hello!
Hello?
How you doing?
Did I smoke this piece? It merges into one.
Oh.
Oh shit.
You want to take a video?
Oh shit. He's going, he's going. Should I smoke this piece? He's in there since we're